Fire activity on the shore remains steady, but new contracts rose 23% this report. It's Friday, November 21st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore report. This week, homes available for sale fell 2.5% to 2,241 units from last week, a median list price of $399,975. 94 homes will be coming to the market at a median $399,000 list price. 189 homes went under contract in 33 days at a median list price of $365,000. 174 homes sold in 35 days at 97.1% and at a median $401,250. Inventory for those homes offered for lease fell this week to 153 units to a median $2,200 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, November 21st, 2025. There will be no market update videos next Friday, and I invite you to enjoy your Thanksgiving holiday. May you be blessed with much abundance and the health to enjoy it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you in December.